How to use ChatGPT for language translation and interpretation. So as you can see, I have opened a ChatGPT. So let's see how you can use it for translation purpose. So for example, I am going to give a statement to this. Translate this into Arabic. So next I am going to type how are you. So let's see how it translated. I have said ChatGPT to translate into Arabic. So you can see in Arabic how are you is translated as kefalak. So even if it showed a pronunciation. So for example, I am going to say translate it into Spanish. So he said ChatGPT to translate into Spanish language. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a response in Spanish. What is your name is translated as this one. So as you can see, we are using ChatGPT for language translation. So for example, if we don't give it a English command and let's see, give it another language text, translate it into English. So I said ChatGPT to translate this text into English. And you can see in translated this one is yes. So ChatGPT is generating an amazing responses. So hopefully you like this video. If you like, tell us in the comments. If you want more content like this one, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.